Streamlining record management with QuickBooks. Effective record management is essential for maintaining financial stability and making informed decisions. Keeping accurate and up-to-date records ensures that your business operations run smoothly and compliantly. One tool that has revolutionized record management for businesses of all sizes is QuickBooks. In this video, we will explore how QuickBooks helps streamline record management, making it easier than ever to organize your finances. 1. Effortless data entry and tracking. QuickBooks simplifies the process of data entry, helping you keep track of your income, expenses, and financial transactions effortlessly. The user-friendly interface allows you to input data such as invoices, receipts, bills, and payments with just a few clicks. This reduces the likelihood of manual errors and ensures that your records are accurate from the start. 2. Automated bookkeeping. Gone are the days of manually reconciling your bank statements and sifting through piles of paperwork. QuickBooks offers automated bookkeeping features that sync with your bank and credit card accounts. This automation not only saves time but also minimizes the risk of overlooking crucial transactions. The system categorizes transactions, making it easier to generate financial reports and gain insights into your business's financial health. 3. Real-time financial insights. QuickBooks provides real-time visibility into your financial data, enabling you to make informed decisions promptly. The dashboard offers an overview of your cash flow, outstanding invoices, expenses, and more. This instant access to financial insights empowers you to identify trends, allocate resources wisely, and seize opportunities as they arise. 4. Efficient invoicing and payment processing. Managing invoices and tracking payments can be a daunting task. QuickBooks offers customizable invoicing templates that reflect your brand's identity. You can generate and send invoices to clients directly through the platform. Furthermore, QuickBooks supports online payment processing, allowing your clients to pay invoices electronically. This accelerates the payment cycle and enhances cash flow. 5. Simplified tax preparation. Preparing for tax season becomes significantly less stressful with QuickBooks. The platform helps you keep accurate records of your income and expenses throughout the year, making tax filing a smoother process. You can generate reports that summarize your financial activities, ensuring that you have all the necessary information at your fingertips when it's time to file your taxes. 6. Secure data storage and backup. Losing financial data due to unforeseen circumstances can be catastrophic for a business. QuickBooks offers secure data storage and automated backups, safeguarding your records from data loss. This feature ensures that your financial information is protected and recoverable in case of emergencies. 7. Collaboration and accessibility. In a collaborative business environment, QuickBooks allows multiple users to access and work on the same set of financial data simultaneously. This is particularly useful for businesses with multiple team members or accountants who need to collaborate on financial tasks. Additionally, the cloud-based nature of QuickBooks means you can access your records from anywhere with an internet connection, providing flexibility for remote work scenarios.